It doesn't matter where you're going, it's whom you have beside you. Like fine wine, the two of you just get better with time. May the love you have for each other continue to grow like wildflowers. As the years you have together increases, so does the love you have for one another. Here's to another year of love. Marriage is like learning a challenging dance. There will be difficult times, but if you have the right dance partner, it makes all the difference. May the sun always shine on the path that you two share. May the stars and moon always light your hearts with care. May your days forever be filled with love and joy. Congrats, and happy anniversary!